This video from Sharp Help, we're going to demonstrate how to perform a factory reset on the XEA107 register. It's really straightforward. First thing to do is to turn the key, if it's in, to the off position, and then remove the memory protection batteries by lifting off the printer cover, and the batteries, if you've got them loaded, will be positioned well where you can see them. Remove the batteries. All the batteries do is they don't give the machine any power, they just act as a memory backup in case the machine loses power, so you don't lose the programming information you've put in or your sales data. It's a thing to be aware of: when you do a factory reset, you're going to lose all your sales history and all your programming data, so the machine will be returned to out the box factory default. So you might be wiping the till to set up a new business, or you might be selling it for whatever reason. This is how to do it. So the only other thing to do is disconnect the machine from the power. You can either unplug it from the mains or remove the power from the side of the machine. Leave the machine off for a little while, turn the key to the reg position, and then plug the machine back in. So we can tell if the machine's been wiped. Yeah, so I had some pre-programming in that button and nothing's happened, so the machine's been totally wiped. And you can also, if you want it to, there we go. I've just done that Z read to prove that the machine's been wiped. So we've got all the totals are at 0 and the date's gone back to the 1st of the 1st 2000, I guess that is. So yeah, that's how to perform a factory reset on the 107. So yeah, if you're now looking to reprogram the machine from scratch, check out our programming tutorial videos, which will be appearing on screen now. Thanks for watching.